had problem with milk steaming. In this video, I show you 3 simple steps that helped me fix my milk steaming for latte art. If you still struggle with foaming your milk, don't worry, because it is the most common challenge that every beginner barista faces. Step 1. Positioning. Place it in the center of the pitcher, then move it slightly to one side. When you start steaming, this will create a vortex that helps texture the milk. You can practice this with water first. Watch how the water moves in circles. That means your position is correct. Step 2. Practicing foam. Learning how to add air. To practice, use water with a few drops of soap instead of milk. This way you don't waste milk. Put the steam wand just under the surface and start steaming. You will see a light foam on top. This is the texture we want later with real milk. When you steam soap and water, you can still create silky foam. This helps you understand the right texture before using real milk. See how the foam builds up on top? That's the same smooth texture we want later with milk for the latte art. Step 3. Real milk. And now the last tip. Steaming real milk. Use full fat milk because it gives the best texture. Repeat the first 2 steps. Make the vortex and add just a little air. As the milk gets hotter, move the wand deeper to keep the milk texture and shiny. This silky microfoam is perfect for latte art. This is the kind of silky foam you need for latte art. Smooth, shiny, and easy to pour. So remember, 1. Correct position, 2. Practicing foam, and 3. Use real milk. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe.